If you see the title of the video and have listened to the album, you already have your own perspective on it. People expect different things on what they want on an album from a particular artist. For example, people will focus on how many hit singles is on the album, while persons will only focus on the production quality and if the album is cohesive and tells a story or has a particular theme. And then you have superfans, with no matter what, if the project is good or bad, they praise it like it's the greatest thing ever. Please don't be that fan. Well, I can say Popcaan's Great to See album is a pretty good project. First thing that I noticed from my first listen is that the instrumentals or rhythms on this project are very simple. You can see the production had a mixture of dancehall, pop, and I think I heard calypso in the track Freshness. Yeah man, you can hear the steel drums. Good song by the way. But for the most part, the instrumentals are pretty laid back, and it was clearly done on purpose. Let's get into the tracks. It's a 17-track album that lasts less than an hour, which to be honest, the 57 minutes and 4 seconds runtime passed by quickly for me, which is a good sign. Personally, the tracks were placed perfectly. The intro Defeat the Struggle really brought across what the album is about. Loyalty, hard work, pain, success, and praising the Almighty. I'm not going to break down every track on the album. The next track, Freshness, I think most people will like. But for me, the witty and braggadocious line, "The money longer than Hope Road," really made me like this song. You know what? Let me tell you my favorite songs on the album. Beginning from the outro, Great to See, which really ended the album well. The intro, Defeat the Struggle, St. Thomas Native. I think everybody liked that song based on the feedback online. 11 Commandment, Next to Me, Past Life, and Wish No Bad. You can tell me your favorite songs from the album in the comments. For the most part, the tracks are very good and consistent. I can't really pinpoint a song that was skippable. So Popcaan really put in the work creating this album. But remember when I said that people listen to an album for different reasons? Well, what did I expect from a Popcaan album, and did he deliver? I think he did. Even though Popcaan rose to prominence for his party songs. Personally, I think he is at his best when he creates songs to motivate and hold amidst to. And I think he did that perfectly on Great Is He. I actually really began enjoying the album at track 12 to track 17. Songs where we can hold amidst to. The songs St. Thomas Native, Wish No Bad, Appreciation, Past Life, Memories, and Great to See were cohesive and brought across the reason why the album is called Great to See, and I appreciate it. So, is Great to See a great project? For now, it's good. It's too soon to say it's great because I rank albums on replay value. Will I listen to this album a week, a month, or a year from now? Only time will tell. But definitely continue to stream this album or purchase it as we want more support for our dancehall artists. Even though our culture hardly buy albums, it's not too late to try and change it. Stay safe, stay blessed, continue streaming the album, and thanks for watching.